Hi, and thank you for watching the MyFrame Gallery video series. We are finally at the fourth and final step. Remember to watch part 3 of this video series where we go over how to add/edit your frames. The last step of this process is to publish your gallery. The page that is being displayed is a preview of what your gallery will look like. Here you can double check and make sure that all your information and frames are correct. If you see a mistake, don't worry. You can always go back to the previous tabs and make the necessary changes. Once you approve your gallery, you can click Publish Now for your gallery to be live. Congratulations! Your frame gallery is now active and ready to be used. After publishing your gallery, you can click on your public URL, which will allow you and your customers to see your live frame gallery. This public URL can also be used on mobile devices. Thank you for watching. To learn more, download a brochure, or to schedule a demo, go to framesdata.com/gallery.